Have you ever felt you are falling behind financially, especially when you compare yourself to the glamorous lives of superstars or the seemingly perfect lives on social media? How much do they make per hour? Therefore, we are to explore the 7 signs that indicate you are doing well financially, even if it doesn't feel like it. And you might be surprised to learn that you are actually on the right track, even compared to those superstars.
I am rich.
Sign 1. Individual perspective over society expectations. This reminds me of our daily lives on social media. We often see people posting their happiest moments, luxurious vacations, and success on platforms like Instagram, right? But what we see is just a highlight reel, not just the whole story. This is a classic example of Instagram versus reality. But remember, comparison is the thief of joy. Focus on your own path. Sign number 2. Avoid the status game. So recently I went on a trip with my girlfriend to Bali, and we have seen this in real life. We visited some truly breathtaking spots and everyone was eager to take the perfect photo. And you see those stunning images of perfect beaches and gorgeous sunsets all over Instagram, right? But what if you turn the camera around? You would see the less glamorous side of Bali. Crowds of people, trash, broken reef, and a lot of the times construction work. And don't get me wrong, I love Bali, but I have never seen this construction work on Instagram photos, right? Or did I miss something? It's a great reminder that what you see online is just a carefully curated version of reality. And the same can be told about what we see in the media. It's just often a highlight reel of someone's life and not the whole picture. That's the reason why, for example, Johnny Depp excelled in the status game, living in a life of luxury and constant media attention. But playing a status game can lead to pressure and stress, right? So if you want to play the game right, don't play the status game, play the wealth game for long-term stability. While Johnny made a lot of money, the pursuit of status led to excessive spending and financial mismanagement. And this is similar to how people often present their lives on social media. But remember, everyone has their struggles, even if they don't show them, right? So true wealth isn't about what you have. It's about, are you able to manage it? So therefore, a big lesson from Depp's story is the danger of comparing your inner self with external appearances of others. This is the real formula for unhappiness. And here you have to be aware of your ego because it's driven by fear and envy. Sign 3. Be aware of your ego. Understanding how the ego, driven by fear and envy, can impact our lives is crucial. Johnny Depp's need to maintain his status was fueled by these emotions, but he also showed us the power of humility and self-awareness. By recognizing and addressing these feelings, we can make healthier decisions and focus on genuine personal growth rather than superficial success. Then we dive into sign number 4, focus on personal fulfillment. And this is a really important one. Johnny's story teaches us that societal praise and external success don't necessarily lead to personal fulfillment. And this sign turned my life around because by focusing on personal growth, financial stability, and mental well-being, we can achieve a more balanced and satisfied life, right? It's about setting and achieving your own financial goals, not what others expect of you. Sign number 5, define true financial success. So what's the big lesson here? True financial success is about achieving freedom and fulfillment. It's not about competing with others or living up to societal standards. It's about creating a life that aligns with your values and your goals. So true success for me is the freedom to do whatever I want, whenever I want. Therefore, Johnny's story shows us that despite immense wealth, true happiness comes from a balanced approach to life. By focusing on what is truly important, financial health, personal growth, and mental well-being, we can achieve a fulfilling and successful life. Sign 6. Turn things around with financial fundamentals. Now let's talk about turning things around. The fundamentals of financial health can set the stage for long-term success and stability. First, be aware of your financial situation. Track your income and your expenses to understand where your money is going. Second, maintain an emergency fund. This is crucial for unexpected expenses and provides a safety net. And manage your debt responsibly. Avoid unnecessary debt and focus on paying off existing debt to reduce financial stress. And then we dive into sign number 7. Create a smart investment plan. So, do you want to build wealth like a smart, happy investor and secure your future? Investing is about creating a smart cash flow system for yourself. In this video, I will tell you how you can build 5 investing habits that changed my life for good. See you in the next video.